Hello, saw your question in the email. It says find the margin of error for the given values of C, sigma, and N. So C is 95% confidence interval for 0.95, standard deviation or sigma is 2.5, and your sample size is 49. So you click on this table and this button here, and it brings this up. And so we're talking about 95.95 level of confidence, and so you can see Z sub C is 1.96. So here's the formula. It's Z sub C or times sigma over square root of N, and you're given these two values you put in, and this here in this table gives you this value here. So you put the 1.96 there. Sigma is 2.5, N is 49. Square root of 49 is 7. So it's 1.96 times 2.5 over 7. I didn't put it in calculator, but I thought maybe you could do that. Hope this helps.